This tutorial is going to show you how to use the Canvas Commons favoriting tool and then move some content into specific courses or into a module, or even move an entire module if you use the favoriting tool. So you can see here at this point in time, I have I'm in the Commons right now. I'm in the Canvas Commons. So I've clicked here on the global navigation menu in the Commons, and I've searched World War II, being a history guy and all. And you'll notice here I have a module on World War I, which isn't even the right war. Here's something on World War II. Notice it's also an entire module. And then here is an assignment and a quiz. These also have some grades. This is 9th grade. This is 8th grade. So at least these are kind of close. So I'm going to go ahead and open this module. So I'm going to click here on the little link that says World War II. And it's going to allow me to preview this module when it opens up. So I'll at least get to see what kind of stuff is here. And this one's not looking too hot so far. There's nothing there. Evidently, this is a blank module. There we go. Okay, here's some stuff. So it looks like we have an introduction, and then it looks like we have five little assignments here on it, and whatnot. It looks like actually one of these might even be a quiz, so it's probably a new quiz, because new quizzes sometimes show up as assignments as opposed to regular quizzes. In any case, and then there's some pages and then some files that are attached in here as well. Okay, let's say that I like this. I'm going to just go over here. I'm not going to import it or download it yet. I'm just going to add it to my favorites. I'm like, hey, I want to remember that for later. Okay, so right now you can see this star is now dark color. That basically means that I can come back and find it later. Okay, I'm also, while I'm here, I'm just going to click back because I still have my World War II stuff up. I'm going to go into this assignment because I'm going to use this one as well. This is going to be a preview of this assignment, and hopefully this thing will load pretty fast, but if it's not, I'm just for the purposes of illustration, I'm going to go ahead and click on this as well. And so now I have favorited both of these assignments. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here to my template class. Okay, so keep in mind I've favorited both of those classes. Normally you would navigate away. I just have this extra tab open because I was kind of in a hurry, just to kind of show you guys how this process is going to work. So notice here I have module 2, and if I click on the little module buttons, the snowman dots right here, I can go here and see where it says Commons Favorites. I can click on that particular button, and it's going to show me the content that is available in Commons Favorites. Okay, and you can see here's my World War II module, and here's my assignment for World War II. Okay, so right now you can see I have an empty module called Module 2. So I'm going to go ahead and select this module, and I'm going to import this into Module 2. Okay, and you can see now I have the check mark. I'm going to go ahead and close this little window that pops up. And there you go. Now here is everything that is imported from that World War II module. Okay, so notice here's the couple files. Here's the quiz. Looks like there's about 5 or 6 assignments. And then here's some pages. And then the quiz also appears again. So it's basically like a pre-test, post-test type of deal. The next thing I want to show you guys, I can add in this individual page here as well. So when I come in, I'm going to go to Commons Favorite again. Notice where I'm clicking, just out here to the side. I'm going to come into Commons Favorites, and I'm going to add that specific page as well. Okay, or this assignment rather, I guess it is. So I'm just going to add this assignment. You get the same thing. It's going to spin a little bit, do the check mark, okay, and then that specific assignment will show up in this module. Okay, so it's going to kind of update, and then there should be one other assignment that got added in. I believe it is. I should go back and take a look at that. It's a 100-point assignment. So in here, there it is. It's right down there at the bottom. So it just got added. And usually when you add things to modules, regardless, that is where they come in, is down there at the bottom. And then obviously you can reorder these however you wish, so I can move them around. But anyway, that it would be an example of how you could use the Commons favoriting tool and then import those things that you favorited back into a module or into a class. Essentially, the reason you would do that versus just do it right then and there, maybe you're in the Commons searching around and you don't want to jump back and forth and say, okay, I want to import this now. You just want to favorite those things now. Okay. Essentially, you could just go ahead and go through and click on a whole bunch of stuff and then just go back into your course and put them in all at one time, as opposed to say, okay, I want to import, download this now, wait for it to happen, go to your course, check it out later, and so on and so forth. So basically, it's just another way to import things from the Commons into your course that's relatively easy to do.